Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnatCloudAnalytics. This video we are going to talk about the different products that are released from Tableau. So Tableau has a different ecosystem. So as part of this ecosystem, I have listed here the 7 main products from Tableau. So among these 7 different products, the first product that we are going to talk about now is about Tableau Desktop. So Tableau Desktop is the core components for the Tableau developers. So it is a place where the complete development would takes place in Tableau. So if you would like to develop any new report or a new chart or a dashboard, you would have to make use of the Tableau desktop environment or the Tableau desktop product. So Tableau desktop is a licensed version. So it comes for a 14-day trial period, but in case if you'd like to use that for a longer period, then you might need to procure the license, and these licenses are categorized into the usage of that particular tool as well. So we would need to have Tableau desktop license key with creator license, so that comes with a creator license. Now the other product from Tableau is the Tableau Server. So Tableau Server is a core component for the Tableau administrators, and this is mainly used to set up the complete security and automation to schedule and integrate it for the uh, uh, to make sure that all your hosted dashboards that have been published on the Tableau server are up and running and are made accessible at any given point of time. Okay, so this is about the Tableau server. So Tableau server is also a licensed version and it comes for 14-day trial period. And if you'd like to use that for a longer term, then you would need to procure the license as per your requirement. Now, all the licenses from Tableau are now been converted into a subscription based model, which is like kind of a user based model. So you would need to talk to the sales team to understand the licenses and the cost associated to it. Now, the third product from Tableau is the Tableau Reader. So, Tableau Reader is a free application which is mainly used to share the visualization built on Tableau Desktop locally. So, let's say that you have built a dashboard using Tableau Desktop and you would like to share this dashboard to your management for a quick review and an update on if there needs to be any changes to be incorporated. But unfortunately, your management or the person who needs to review it and confirm on that visualization has no desktop license key, and therefore he is not able to access to your dashboard. And you also do not have Tableau server configured on your organization. So, in this particular scenario, the only possibility that you are able to share your workbook and your work with the management is through Tableau Reader. So, what you can do in that situation is ask the person to install Tableau Reader, which comes for free of cost. And once they install this application, you can then share this entire workbook as a packaged workbook. So, for that, you would need to go to the respective Tableau desktop workbook and go to the file menu on the top left corner and click on Save As and save this particular workbook as .twbx extension. Now, once you save this workbook as a .twbx extension workbook, and the other person who has the Tableau reader being installed, they can then be able to access to this workbook and see that particular visualization. But note that the interactions, whatever that you might have added up on your dashboard level, they will not be able to access to those interactions. Okay, but they can just look at the static view of that particular development and they can quickly give you the respective feedback what you've been expecting out of it. So then the comes the next product from Tableau, which is the Tableau Public. So Tableau Public is another free application which would allow the users to share the visualizations publicly to anyone. So let's say that you're a beginner for Tableau and you are trying to learn Tableau ecosystem and you'd like to practice it with some data set, right? Now, you might need to get some feedback and understand how this data has been consumed by the other users across the globe, right? So for that, how would you be able to share your dashboards or the widgets that you might have created using Tableau Desktop. So you can go with the Tableau Public, which is like kind of a social sharing platform. So it's a browser-based environment. So you can just go to Google, type in for Tableau Public, and that would give you the uh, page where you can be able to sign up for Tableau Public. And once you are signed in, you will be able to publish your workbook onto the Tableau Public, and that will be able to consumed by the rest of the world. But remember, please do not publish any confidential data on your Tableau Public page, because this is not a restricted environment, and any person who has access to Tableau Public will be able to go through your data and can also be able to download that particular dashboard in case if you have not set that security to not download the workbook. Okay, but for the beginner level, in case you need to build up a portfolio of your visualization stack for the Tableau technology, you can be able to use the Tableau Public as a environment where you can get the credit and inspiration from others who are also using the same environment. So then we have the next product from Tableau, which is the Tableau Online. So Tableau Online is similar to that of the Tableau Server, and the only difference that is compared to between server and online is that Tableau Server is something that you are responsible in installing and configuring of that entire application. So you are responsible to install that application and maintain it to ensure that everything is up and running, and the security has also been added up from your perspective. But the Tableau Online on the other side is a SaaS application, which is a software as an service application from Tableau itself, which means that you will not be able to install new packages like new versions of Tableau product, and you need not maintain this application for any security threats that might have been reported by Tableau, or any changes that you wish to push that to the Tableau environment. So this is all been maintained by Tableau itself. So you need not be worried about the Tableau maintenance and Tableau version control and Tableau upgrades or downgrades, however it is. So you just need to sign up for Tableau Online, and they will provision you a specific site to you, and you can just use that site within that Tableau Online, and can publish your content over there and share it within your management or the peers that you would like to consume the reports. So Tableau Online is also a licensed version, and which comes for 14-day trial period. So if you wish to explore the functionalities of the Tableau server environment, I would recommend to use the Tableau Online, because then you need not install and configure and maintain anything for that user interface, but you can just be able to sign up and get to see all the functionalities that are available within your Tableau server. So all the functionalities most likely is available in Tableau Online, but there are here and there certain features which are not available in Tableau Server and vice versa. So please do make a note of those differences before you even attempt to get this Tableau Online. And then comes the Tableau Mobile. So whatever dashboards that you have developed using Tableau Desktop and published it onto your Tableau Server or Tableau Online, and if you wish to consume those dashboards using your mobile, then you can just install Tableau Mobile application on your mobiles from your Play Store, and you can just log into that particular server and consume the dashboards. So this is another product. Now then comes the latest product that has been introduced from Tableau, which is the Tableau Prep. Now Tableau Prep is mainly used for your ETL transactions. So let's say that you have a data source from where you would like to connect to and build some reports on top of that. But the data is a lot of, it looks a lot of messy. So you might need to work on the data to cleanse the data and formulate it in the way that it is needed for your visualization. So before prep, we might have used a different third party tools and different ETL tools for us to make this process simpler. But now that we have this prep being introduced, it's also similar to your Tableau desktop, where it is a very simple drag and drop interface, and you can simply use this environment to do all the needed transformations that is needed, and you can also do the joins and union that is helpful for your data sets to be combined, and use that output directly published on the Tableau server, or you can export that output result as an Excel file, however you wish to have that output file, and use that entire flow also as an automated. Now, by making these steps, it will reduce the effort in working through the different data cleansing part that you might need to rely on your ETL team or other folks in the team. And it simplifies the way, and the agility is being increased also. It's like the time to market is can also be improved a lot by inculcating Tableau Prep within your design phase. So Tableau Prep comes for free of cost with your Tableau Desktop Creator license. So if you have a Tableau Desktop license key, then you can just download Tableau Prep and use the same key for this activation. So these are the different Tableau products that have been released from Tableau and are highly been of use with most of the organizations. So I hope that this products portfolio has now been simpler for you to understand when and why do you need to use each of them, and why is it important for you to use that specific product for that particular requirement. So if you are able to understand this topic clearly, and if I have clarified all your questions that you might had so far, please do leave a thumbs up and a comment in the comment section. See you again in the next video. Thank you.